Welcome to programming and problem solving using Python. This is Rishikesh. In this session, we are going to see membership operators in Python. There are two membership operators in Python which shows something belongs to some sequence or not. First one is in operator. This in operator returns the true value if anything is present in sequence, and the second one is not in operator. This returns the false value if anything is not present in particular sequence. We have different sequence in Python, like we have list, tuple and dictionary. So let us check with those sequences how we can use these operators in those sequences. Let us create a list, name it as list1. To create a list, we use these square brackets, and within these square brackets we have different type of values. Suppose we have 10 as integer value, suppose we have a mango as a string value, then 10.5 as a float value, and true as a boolean value. So this is a very important feature of list. We have seen this in data types, that in list and in tuples we can have multiple type of values within a single list. So how can now we use this membership operator? Suppose we want to check that 10.5 is in the list or not in the list 1. So we can write 10.5 in list 1. Okay, then hit the enter. So it returns the true because 10.5 is present in list 1. Suppose we have a random value like 100 in list 1. Okay, now this returns the false because 100 is not present in this list 1. So this shows that 100 is not belongs to this list 1, 10.5 belongs to list 1. So in this way this in operator works. Suppose we have a value 100 and we say not in list 1, it returns the true value because 100 is not present in list 1. We can also have a tuple. Suppose create a tuple, tup equal to create a tuple we use simple brackets, and within these simple brackets we have a different type of values. Let us take only integer type of values, 20, 10, 20, 30, 50. And if we check with 60 in tup, tup, so it returns the false value. That means 60 is not present in tup. If we have a value within the tup, that is 50, 50 not in tup, so this should also return the false, and indeed so this returns the false value because 50 is present in tup and we are saying that 50 not in tup, so this whole expression is false and hence it is returning false value. So this is how we use these membership operators in Python. I hope you understood. These are very useful operators if we have to check conditions, that if something is present in sequence then do these steps, if something is not present in this sequence then do these steps. So these operators come very handy in those situations. I hope you understood well. That's for today's session. Stay connected till the end of the course. Thank you.